Sagar Choksi from LJ Institutes of Engineering and Technology. So in today's session, we will discuss on a rapid prototyping concept. So for that, we will learn a 3D printing machine, right? So before start anything, first of all, what is rapid prototyping? So as we all know that rapid means fast and prototype means to make a product. So rapid prototyping is equal to make a product as fast as possible, right? So basically, as we all know that in theoretical part, we all know that first part is, or you can take first step is to make a product design, right? So you can use any software, but the language that understand 3D printing is equal to STL, Standard Triangulation Language, right? So the design will be converted into STL format. Then after, the third step is to slice this product, or you can take to slice the minimum layer thickness, right, in a 3D printing machine. And then after, fourth one, that is fourth and important step, that is rapid prototyping. Many methods to produce a product, right? So here this is a 3D printing setup, so in which we can see that there is one feeder, right? This is one feeder which feed this particular material. This material is a plastic material. This feed this particular material from feeder to this particular tool holder, right? So this is a tool holder, right? So it will move horizontal direction like this, or you can say y direction, and this horizontal direction, or you can say x direction, right? So the movement of this particular arm will be a to and fro. Okay, so this is a tool holder in which all this material are fed up, and for that, for heating purpose, because ultimately in this particular part the heating will be created, and for controlling the heating, here you can see the fan to control the heating, right? So this is what the upper portion of 3D printing machine. So lower portion, as we can see, this is a platform in which this product, and by layer we can make a product. Okay, so this is what a 3D printing concept, right? So ultimately this portion will travel like that, and this portion will travel like that. Okay, the heating will be created inside this particular arm, and the raw material fed up into this particular platform, and layer by layer we will operate, we will produce this particular part or this part. Okay, so the third part is this. Okay, you can see right here, without any linkage or without any welding or any fastening, this portion will make by this particular 3D printing, right? As you can see this. Okay, this arm will move to and fro motion, and this arm will move in this direction, right? So this is what a basic concept of 3D printing machine. So this done to all of you. Now here we can see the SD card, right? So we need to insert design over here, right? So based on this design, because design which is our input, right? So based on this particular design, this arm will move horizontal y direction or horizontal x direction, and layer by layer we will generate a product. So this is what the construction, or you can say a working of 3D printing machine. I have explained a smaller setup. So now we have another setup, that is a large scale for large scale product. So here this is the another setup of 3D printing machine. So here you can see that this one is our platform which will move in this direction. Second one, that is this particular tool motion, right? And this will travel in this particular direction, right? So the material which will form over here, and layer by layer we will operate, or we can say we will make a prototype for large scale model. For any customized requirement, you can use the any other method, or you can say any other machines as per the requirement. So basically a 3D printing machine is used for preparing a complex shape like that, right? So yes, you can see the complex shape. So this complex shape will easily be formed in this particular device without using fabrication, without using machining or other fastening. We will generate this kind of shape, right? So basically this is what the 3D printing machine.